What are the advantages and disadvantages of a formal probate proceeding? Advantages? Are there advantages? Yes, there are. And in this video, we're going to take a look at some of the major advantages as well as some of the major disadvantages. Hello again. This is Certified Probate Real Estate Specialist Daryl Williams here in Southern California. On this program, we assist attorneys and personal representatives with real property that's going through the probate process. If you like this kind of content and you're new here, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started. If you find yourself faced with a probate administration in order to settle a loved one's estate, you should be aware of the advantages as well as the disadvantages of probate. The judge will oversee the probate proceedings, thus keeping everything on track and in order as much as possible. That's an advantage. If you have been granted limited authority under the Independent Administration of Estates Act, then the court will have to supervise that entire transaction. That could be a major advantage if you're faced with this. Reason being, since the court or the judge will be supervising it, the judge can handle problems that may arise between you, the personal representative, and beneficiaries and or heirs in the estate. Another major advantage to a probate proceeding in limited authority, the judge has the ability to auction the property off to the highest bidder, thus getting the highest price or the highest profit for the estate. If the decedent owed money to creditors, creditors have an obligation to submit their claims to the estate within a reasonable period of time. It's actually a fixed period of time. And if the creditors do not make their claims within this window of time, they are barred from coming after the estate with claims at a later point. Thus, one of the advantages of a probate proceeding is a way of clearing title. Now, let's take a look at some of the major disadvantages of a probate proceeding. A probate procedure is public. A will is on file at the probate court and is available for the general public to see. So, if you are one of those persons that doesn't like others in your business, then you need to make sure you avoid probate. Another major disadvantage of a probate proceeding is it is time-consuming. A well-oiled probate procedure could take 9 months easily. If there are any challenges and or complications in the probate procedure, it could easily take a year, maybe 2. And probably the most important disadvantage is a probate procedure is expensive. To give you another rule of thumb, a probate procedure can cost anywhere from 4 to 8% of the gross value of the estate. If you find yourself faced with a probate administration of a loved one's estate, it is what it is. There's nothing that you could do now other than make the best of that scenario. But moving forward in your case, for yourself or for other loved ones, when you can avoid probate, it's always a good idea to do so. And the best way I'm aware of that you can avoid probate is to have a living trust properly prepared and make sure it's properly funded. If this program has been of value to you, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'm Darrell Williams. This is Win-Win Realtors TV. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. This video has been for information purposes only. It is not intended to be construed as legal advice in any shape, form, or fashion. I am not an attorney. If you need information or a referral, I should say, on an estate planning attorney, feel free to contact me.